So guys, good afternoon, good afternoon. God bless it. A rainy day. I want to go hustle. Let's say today a Friday. Me and I cratch me. I want money. On the rain and fall, man. Cho. Cho, 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 cho. I did Spanish, but I say, Mama, cho, cho, yo. I mean, I want to suck a cratch. It's very hot out there. Anyway, I talk about today, you know. So, man, yo, some boy real trash, you know. Me say the boy, them hot out the road. Them like a small pants and they like a shiny shoes and thing. Them hot and they like a felt hot and the jacket. Me know one boy, you know, me say every day the boy bush. In bush to a point, me not think he should have walk out here and should have in a movie. Or they are Hollywood because I look at them all time dressed in a Hollywood movie them. You know me I talk about? The man dress all the time in cowboy hat and boot and ray. Boy look hot, you know. And sometimes I see him hustle and so. Him hustle all kind of like a sit, me see my hustle glasses and other hats and other little things. Me see my hustle all the time. Him always a hustle sound like a sitting. So me say look like him and make money. Cause every time I see him in trash and him spending money and him spending money on himself, brother, and making himself look good. So me say to myself, say boy, the way him look at, me have to try put myself together. So me decide to say I'm gonna go to the tattoo place and I go get me a tattoo. So this is my tattoo, guys. I just got it done. And it's beautiful. And it's removable. I can take it off. You see, the stocking was too small for me when I buy it. I wanted to wear my legs to look like I have tattoos, so I have to wear it on my arms. Because I can't fit nowhere else. Well, it's still my tattoo. And it's on my hand. Right. So the guy pushed to the point. Me tell us the boy bush, you know. The boy hot, me say. Me kind of hungry. Me never name nothing from him. Me take a M&M. The boy hot. Yeah, man, the boy hot, me say. If the boy push, you know. The boy hot. With the night, we go to the restaurant, go and buy some food. And I walk inside the restaurant, I see him put off in there. And just pose. Like the paparazzi, them a come. The way him pose the paparazzi, them a come to last. Him hotter than me. Sometimes I see the way I look. And I look for my skin up in face. So I know, say, the way I look like trash. The way I skin up in face when him see me, you know. Because I'm always so trash. You know what I mean? So anyway. So me I get old. It's what a crunchy. It's up between two little teeth that I have. So the boy spread off himself. When the boy spread off himself, now I walk in, I look on the food for buy the food. He turned to me and said, hello. And greet me in a nice way. So I said hello to him. And so I was surprised the way he greet me, you know. So anyway, I look on the food and the food. And I'm like, he's like, oh, so what's up with you and thing, how things going, you know. So I say, all right. And I picture to me, so I walk off with the food, and you know, because I do all kind of different food at the place, so I look on what I go buy. He said to me, say, can you buy me a plate? So I look up at the counter and I want to put a whole pot of food in one bag, and I say, that's your food over there, so no food you add about buy your plate. And so, that's not mine, seriously, I'm like broke, I need some food. Can you like buy me some food and stuff? And then I had $20 on me, and I was going to buy it, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? But I'm saying to myself, you're working every day, you're a grown-ass man, buying all this shit every day, you have no money to eat. Never one bag of rice in the house, I think you can go dry steam, make a rice, I want one thing a sardine. And you look down upon me when you see me, you trash every day, and know you want my money for your food. So then I go give him, and I say, I don't really depend on nothing right now, you know, to me, you know? So I look around and see, I look for me, and look for me, and look for me. Same thing, they give me the eye and a smile. If you think so, I look man, because I don't look nobody. I love my food. You're wrong, Papa. You can flirt all you want. Not my food. So when him did that, I ring up him body and I go on. Sure. And I go on. Me need this. And I go on. Right? See now? I look for me. So I think of him, you know, I look back at him and I go, so. Fucking bright. Not my money. Me need my money right now for buy treatment for make my hair grow after me put too much bleach and sitting in there. Damn bright. I come. Me just right back at you. Dress up every day like a goddamn pimp. Every day like you know a pimp when I don't want money. I want to go and like you know a big shot. I want to do no can buy food. So woman, people, girl, people no want come pimp to come buy food for them. You know what other man, the very out order. Not me. If I go see the nipple, let me take them on. M&M's. They are bright.